How to import audio in Alight Motion. This tutorial shows you how to add a song or sound to your project. First, open the Alight Motion app on your Android device. From there, open the project you want to add audio to, or start a new one. After that, tap the Add Layer icon at the bottom. At this point, tap Audio. Following this, choose whether you want to select a song from your device or record something directly. From here, tap Music if you want to browse your device's audio files. At this stage, navigate to the file you want and tap on it to select it. Once selected, that audio track drops directly into your project's timeline. Following this, drag the ends of the audio clip to trim it if you only want a specific portion playing. From here, tap and drag the entire clip left or right if you want to reposition when it starts playing in your project. That's how you import audio in Alight Motion. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!